Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Infiniti QX50 only ways. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and open the hood to locate the battery near the passenger side. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove hold-down brackets carefully. Swap in the new battery, reconnect positive then negative, secure brackets tight, and test ignition to confirm a clean start. Gather tools and prep the car for a smooth battery change. A 10mm wrench will handle terminals and hold down bolts, and gloves protect your hands. Use a battery brush to remove corrosion and apply terminal protector spray for longevity. If available, use a memory saver to keep settings intact or note radio codes. Working methodically prevents damage and lets you finish the job faster and with confidence. Follow each step slowly to avoid mistakes when swapping the battery. After removing the hold down, lift the battery straight up and away, avoiding any acid contact. Place the new battery in the tray so terminals face the same way as before, secure the clamp snugly, and reconnect the positive terminal first followed by the negative. Double-check connections and start the engine to ensure electrical systems function normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.